this is. Look at the detail in it. You can hear a lot, and it just snaps on. Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we're gonna go over the evergreen life-size Blue Heron pair from Costco. This is a 3 foot, almost 3 foot in height pair, Heron pair. Great for your garden, great for your landscaping. And it's about 16 inches wide, almost 17 inches. And it came into, again, a little bit of assembly required, and this is from Costco. We went out there yesterday and we decided to purchase it. We saw what a great deal it was, and actually they marked it down about half price, so we decided to grab one and add to our garden, our landscape. But let's get started, guys. Let's open it. And by the way, happy Father's Day to all fathers out there. You know, today's Father's Day, and you know, the kids and the wife may need a beautiful Father's Day shirt, as you see. So we're gonna open this, guys, here, and it says a little bit of assembly required. Let me grab some scissors here. And this is made out of metal, guys. Looks like stainless steel. It's very colorful. That's what attracted us to it. My wife, she always wants something like this that's easy to maintain, easy to upkeep. And this is actually heat treated. It looks like heat treated paint. Wow, look how gorgeous, how shiny this is. It's got a blue tint to it, and there's detail on it, guys. The detail on it. Look at this. Look at the detail in it. You can hear you even got a movable feather for that. Again, the little assembly. Hopefully these probably can go scare some of the birds and maybe some of the wild animals outside that we have. So it adds landscape to your yard, and also might scare the rabbits and stuff, so it might help your landscape out. Here are the legs. You guys see it? Excuse me. It looks like pretty simple assembly. So you just take this out. And it even came with stakes, so you can anchor into the ground. You anchor into the ground, and for wind wise, I think this would be okay because it's only 3 feet high. It's not gonna, you know, cause a lot of, when you have strong wind, it's not gonna have a lot of wind damage here, guys. So you just stick this on here, looks like it, and you slide it on. And let me see here. It looks like the legs are actually supposed to go this way. So you put this on, guys, and you slide it on just like that. See that? Voila! And it just snaps on, and you got your beautiful heron. I call them almost like flamingos, almost, right? And voila! Look at that, guys. Look at this. Again, almost 3 feet in height. You can see that? 3 feet in height. Okay, and we got the number 2 heron here coming out. And this one's a little bit shorter, I believe, because this one's posture is different here, guys. You see here, and you see this one here. Look at that. Look at that, how gorgeous that is. Look at that, zooming in, zooming out, bam. Okay. Now we're going to take this out again. This came with anchors too. Here, take it off, and we're gonna take them outside, and we're gonna anchor them, guys. We're gonna anchor them live here. 2 legs look like they're, yeah. This one's. So this one, the legs facing this way. So you want to make sure when you put it on that the legs are actually in the correct position, guys. Facing the correct position. Okay. So you put this, let me double check here again, guys. So you got this one, let's go like this. Okay. And then, now we just got, once you put this on, we just got to pick a spot Yeah, pick a spot where you want to put it on, and it just snaps on. Voila! You got two gorgeous herons. Look at that. Two gorgeous twin heron. Okay. Again, they're blue. They're very, very nice, and you know, paint-wise, teal paint. So I highly recommend the product, guys. So let's take a walk. Let's go out there, and we're gonna camp it out there in a spot where we think it's beautiful. Okay. So okay, guys. So we're gonna take these herons outside, and we're gonna find a spot for it. So follow me here. We actually got some. You can see some row runners. You want to show them doing the row runners? They are very, very protective of their nest. They're loud, and hopefully these might scare them away. But I think we're gonna put. We used to have a small little windmill here, but the wind is so strong. It's a gorgeous windmill. But we're gonna fix it and eventually put it out here. But these flamingos, we're gonna put them. What do you guys think? Right here. We'll put the flamingos. You want it right here, maybe? Or, but then again, there's these row runners. You guys see that? We're gonna put them, bam, like this. Maybe. You got the right here. They look more natural like this, or oh, these row runners, how they're attacking. But once we put them out here, I think they will. We'll leave them alone here. So it looks like you put the stake. You want it kind of like this, right?
Yeah, a little bit. Maybe over here.
One over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Flat.
Okay, put that up. It just goes down like that, guys. Simple. And okay, you want to balance it too, so you got one that way, and where's the other one? Gotta do it quick. These row runners are just one here.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
That one.
Here, right there.
A little bit that way, maybe.
Right there.
No, there you
But you can always move it, you know. See you like it, don't like it. Trying to put it down real quick so we get these birds to leave me alone here.
That's their eggs.
Yeah, they have eggs there. You see that? You can show them that, Dylan. Okay. Voila, guys. Add a little character to your island. Add a little bit personality to your landscape. They are gorgeous, guys. They shine. That one's new a little bit. I can touch that, but